Changing your password on Wish is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your password easily. Step 1. Open the Wish app or website. Launch the Wish app on your mobile device or go to the Wish website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu option, where you can find account-related settings. Step 3. Select Change Password. Look for the option labeled Change Password or Security Settings. Click on this option to proceed with changing your password. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets any specified requirements such as length and character types. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the required information, click on the Save or Update button to confirm your new password. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully changed. Now you can log in with your new password. Remember to keep your password secure and consider updating it regularly for better security.